Good morning, everybody.
Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the Mooney's Little Farm Journey. So, you guys came through. We got 206 subscribers as of this morning. And as promised, we got Elsa's gonna do chores today.
It's snowing, so she'll get a extra cool adventure.
It's about time because somebody's hungry. These guys are saying, where's our food? Where's our food? There's a little change of routine for them. And here's the star of the show today.
Hi guys.
Elsa.
Good morning.
So one of the first things we do is feed the house cats. We'll get ready, but so do one scoop of that in each first.
That smells a little bit nasty.
What's that?
It smells weird.
Oh, it smells weird.
Here and here?
Yep.
Okay.
Just wait until you smell the chickens.
Done.
Do you own any cats?
No, I don't. I don't have pets. Time to eat. Ooh.
Thank you, Elsa. We've been waiting.
Next, we feed the outside cats.
Okay. It's snowing.
I know. Look at this beautiful view for Elsa.
Yeah.
Do her chores.
It's so exciting.
Oh, good morning, Bucky.
Look, he's like, who's that? Hey, Buckaroo. Hey, Bucky. Hey, Elena.
Hi, Bucky.
So, Elsa, tell us a little bit about yourself. Where are you from?
Okay, so I'm from Spain. I'm 16 years old. I like playing basketball. And
So you say you didn't have no pets?
no, that's my first time.
Did you ever want a pet?
When I was little, yes, but not, well, I don't know. I don't really like animals.
Yeah. So now that you're saying this one, you don't want pets?
I mean, I like them, but I don't know.
Oh, like you wouldn't want to have them for you?
Yeah.
Okay. That makes sense. Hey guys, where's that?
This smells like tuna.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Easy, right? Next, the goats, right?
Yep.
Next is the goats.
Okay.
Hey, Bucky. Here, I'll go over.
I think Bucky's really excited because he's never. This is definitely a change of routine for him. He's used to just me in the morning coming in here.
Hey, Bucky. Come in quick. Okay. Bucky, down.
How can I close this?
Just flip it, yeah.
Yeah, push it.
There you go. All right, now we gotta get these girls out of here. Otherwise, they won't let you pour the stuff.
Oh
Elsa,
my
you
gosh.
Go on and close it.
Go.
Oh.
Quick.
Go now. Come here.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, walk over here.
Oh my gosh.
Sit.
Elsa, ready? Run in there and close the door.
There we go.
She did it.
She's safe.
All right, there's a chain that you can lock it.
Okay, so that one has the goat food, yep. Now you're gonna pour it in here, I think 4 scoops. 1 scoop for each. And kind of like spread it.
Okay.
Ooh, they're hungry.
Hey, who is that? She's getting you food today. Oh, spread it through the whole thing.
Oh. Like this.
Yeah, you can leave that one there. Just the next one, just when you drop it, just spread it. There you go.
Okay.
Alright.
Bucky, down.
Bucky.
Sit.
Eh?
Sit.
Bucky. Okay, let's get Bucky.
Hey, sit.
No, actually get the empty one.
Sit. Stay. It's actually pretty good training for him to do this because he's really good with me, but when it's somebody else, he gets distracted. So stay. So it's actually pretty good that Elsa's here, so we can train him to listen when somebody else is here. Stay. See, all his focus right now is on that food, so he's really trying hard, like, to get his attention. So he does. Hey, sit. So he doesn't go over there. Good job, Bucky. Stay.
Yelena, this is Bucky's food.
Oh, this is hard.
Yeah, that one's hard. Because it's not...
Stay.
Yelena, do you let her eat all his food?
No.
Oh, almost done.
That's good.
Ooh. Okay.
Stay. Stay. When you're ready, just come here. Like this, okay?
Go. Say, come.
Go. Come here.
Good job, Bucky. He's like, I'm so confused. You know, you can touch him. See how heavy his coat is?
No. Ah. Don't eat my jacket.
Hi, Molly girl. Now it's cookie time for the goats. Yeah.
Okay, now wow.
You just give them to him.
What?
Bucky, sit.
Oh. That's scary. You did it. More?
Yeah.
Throw one on the
Bucky, sit. 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 Here.
Just throw it on the ground.
Oh, good. Bucky's listening to you.
Yeah.
Bucky, sit. Here.
You're a pro, Elsa.
More?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Orlando gives them
lots of treats. Sit. Okay? Sit. Here.
Bucky. Good boy.
He's sitting.
Is it? Yeah, he's just waiting.
Sit. 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 Go.
You can do this every day.
No, no. It's not that hard, actually.
No, it's not that.
Yeah. It gets easier the more reps you do it.
Yeah. Maybe if we get 300, you'll do it again. And I'll go like this, all done.
Oh, here.
No, with your hands, all done.
With this. That's the goat's going. You know you're done.
I'm done. Okay. Oh.
He knows. He saw you like that.
Yeah, when you do this, he knows all done. Cookies.
Bucky, sit. 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 Good job. Good job. No. No. Are we done?
We got chickens.
We got chicken.
That's the scariest part.
They ate all this hay.
Yeah, well, this
This is the one they like.
Yeah, this is a bit of alfalfa they like.
More?
Yeah. Put it.
So now you can sit here and watch the meat Now smell this. Like, this is a smell that's really, see it? The smell of papa. It's really sweet.
Yeah.
But no, you'll remember the smell. Whenever you go to a farm, you'll be like, oh, I smell hay. I love the smell.
I don't like it.
I love it.
Okay, on to the chickens.
Can you get the water?
Oh, we gotta do water. They drink. Ooh.
Here's-
What do you hear, Bucky? What do you hear?
Bucket? Elsa? So it's like 33 degrees right now.
What is that in Celsius?
3 degrees.
3 degrees Celsius.
Oh, I don't know.
Well,
Oh.
32 is 0 because 32 is freezing.
Oh, so 1.
Maybe. Actually, you might be right. It might be 3. We'll put it right here. Wait, we'll put it right there. So what's the coldest it gets in Spain in Celsius?
Not that cold. Maybe like -5 is like the maximum, or 0
Minus?
Celsius.
Okay, 0 is
So-
32.
30 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's like the coldest.
Yeah, I guess so.
Does that happen in like January or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you say that you're used to the cold now? In Wisconsin?
I don't know. Here it's so cold, but yeah, I'm getting used to it.
I usually don't have a camera person. Kelly's behind the camera. She's been our camera guy.
Camera girl.
Oh, camera girl. Video of a camera girl. There's a camera girl. Watch out with that face. You trying to get that action shot?
Yeah, you're gonna get an action shot of me
Hold on,
falling. Here we go.
Alright.
Uh-oh.
Welcome to Chicken Land.
Chicken Land, Elsa and the girls.
Oh, that one is the bad one, right?
The-
The big one?
That's the
I
rooster.
got it.
Yeah.
Which one?
He went over there.
Oh.
Yeah, Rex is the biggest.
They're nice. They don't do nothing.
So we just dumping that one on there?
Ooh. I almost fell. You weren't recording me.
So this is actually working better for the freezing water. We were using like the summer ones and they kept freezing on us. This is a lot better. We just dump them every night.
I'm scared.
Don't worry, the big one only attacked me twice.
Oh, thank you. Ah!
They're not eating this.
They're not?
No.
I didn't think so. You gotta feed the chickens.
All of it?
Huh?
All of it?
Yeah, just fill up both of them.
Like this?
Yep. Yeah, just fill it to the top.
What's your favorite recipe for chicken?
I don't know. Okay, so I like chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup, okay.
Yeah, that's my favorite meal actually. My favorite food. And where else? chicken sandwich.
Okay.
And I don't know. That's it.
Do you make the chicken noodle soup like homemade?
My mom. Now what?
Now you gotta collect eggs. Yeah, put some hay down.
Yeah, we'll put some hay in it. I don't want you to be disgusted.
Oh, there's one on the ground.
Oh.
Yeah.
Go ahead, girl. We're doing the deep bedding method here. So I'm actually going to put some hay down so Elsa's not stepping up on poop.
Oh, it sounds like there's some girls in there laying eggs.
They're not gonna attack me, right?
No.
Okay, that's fine.
See, they don't even go by you. They're minding their own business.
Okay.
Is there a light on this or no?
Yeah.
Because it's dark in here.
Oh, this is tight.
That's not gonna do anything.
Here we want you to see.
Oh. Now where?
Keep going, keep going. Okay.
Right.
Oh, there's a chicken here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the broody chicken.
One.
Ooh, oh no, that one's
That's
fake.
fake.
Oh.
That's all fake.
Let me see.
That's fake.
Maybe on the other side.
Oh, let me.
Why there's a chicken in my bag?
Here, go over here. This was not made here. This was not made for 3 people to be in here.
Oh, there's a lot of chickens here. Oh my gosh.
Do we have no eggs? We came in here for no eggs.
Is she on one?
There's nothing in here.
There's a lot of eggs. But those are
These are fake, yeah.
Can we go out?
There, in like 10 minutes, there'll probably be some eggs.
Isn't that the best feeling ever?
Yeah. I love it.
Yeah.
Oh no.
So you know that chicken that's in there, the broody chicken. Today's what, day 11th or 12th?
I don't know.
It's either day 11 or 12. If I'm wrong, I'll put it right here. But you scared? But anyways, she's due to give us little chicks. If they do hatch, they're gonna hatch around the 16 or 17, which is very exciting because our oldest 2 daughters are coming home on that. Discovery Channel. Don't mind that. So on that day, our oldest girls are coming, and they're gonna be here for Christmas. So we might actually have a Christmas with our girls here, that we have baby chicks in the farm.
That'd be cool.
So,
Okay, she's got to feed them the worms.
oh,
The
that's
snack.
right.
The what?
The snack.
Bonus
Snack.
bonus material. Snack time.
Snack time.
Yeah, it's worms.
You! I have to do this by myself.
They're fake, or they're not fake. They're dead.
Yeah. They're worms, but they're dry. They won't move.
Good thing we just bought a bag just for you.
You know what, when you grab that bag,
No! I'm so scared.
okay, it's yeah, just
And what am I supposed to do?
well, just shake it, and then when they come to you, I'll show you what to do. Just shake it.
Can you open it?
No, give her the bag.
Can you open it?
Where?
It's open. See?
I can't. Hold on. I got you.
Okay.
What is this?
Dried up worms.
Yeah, dried up worms.
A good protein
Ew.
treat. A good protein treat.
It's good protein. I was like,
Yeah, so cool.
Okay, you ready? This is what you have to do.
You can.
I'm gonna put my
Here. They're not used to gloves, but yeah, you can put them on.
Oh. Is the rooster gonna come? The
Yep.
big one?
They might.
Oh no. Oh, here comes the rooster.
Yummy. Nobody comes.
I think it's because you have the gloves
You
on.
gotta take the gloves off, then they'll come.
Oh, no, they're coming.
I think you're gonna dream about this.
Can I just throw it in the floor?
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
you can.
You scared him.
Okay. I did it.
Yeah, you still have to do afternoon chores.
Okay, it's fine. I got it.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
So, is there anything you want to say to your family at home? Or friends?
Ooh,
That may be
my
watching.
friends. Okay, so I want to say that I miss them a lot. I love them a lot. And subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Okay. Well,
Oh.
why should they subscribe? What would you do if we get like 400?
What would you do?
What would you do?
Well, I'll tell you what. Why don't you guys give us ideas in the comments of what we could do if we get 400 subscribers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially her friends in Spain.
Yeah.
Let us know.
Paula, Uri.
Yeah.
Paula.
Give us ideas and we'll make her do them here.
Yeah.
Oh, if you guys didn't see, we came out with a new logo for our channel. So
Are we gonna review
check it out. And then I guess a small surprise. We can show you guys our
Yeah.
If you want a t-shirt, let us know.
so these three are our prototypes right here. But I'm pretty sure we can get some made. So if you guys want a t-shirt from us, let us know and we'll figure out how we can get you one. All right? But until then,
We love you.
Catch you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
That's a
She
natural.
looks skinny too.
huh?
She looks